Welcome back. The Indian Performing Rights Society has denied allegation of extortion of money in guise of copyrights. They claim that the IPRS is registered under the Copyrights Act. They said that it is a non-profitable organization formed to protect, monitor and enforce rights of authors, composers and publishers of musical and literary works.
This society is a registered copyright society. It is authorized by the Government of India, and to give the authenticity of this copyright society to the public, to make them understand we are not collecting extortion of money or anything cheating or anything like. This society is existing past so many years, and we are granting licenses and collecting royalty not only from these hotels and restaurants. It is from all people, those who are using the musical works into the public, except residents. Rest all the places we are collecting royalty, and the royalty is going to the right and needful people in the music industry, and they are enjoying with that copyright royalty. Not only this society is collecting in India, it is collecting from more than 200 countries, because the society is affiliated to more than 200 countries. And this society is a member of CISAC, that's the World Conference of Authors and Composers.
Sixth Senior National Beach Kabaddi Championship for men and women got underway at Calangute Beach on Thursday evening. Around 500 players and officials from over 20 states are participating in the championship.
The Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India is the flags of hosting of dogs. त्यांना विनंती करता की त्यांच्यानी जे आमचे मुखेल I request the captain of the team to give the salute for the chief guest and the flag. कारण की त्यांच्यानी 3000 किलोमीटर कव्हर करून हे पार्टिसिपेट जातात. The team from Manipur, from Jammu and Kashmir. Give the big clap to the Jammu and Kashmir. Even though the Goa team is a very young one, but we are a very talented player in this team. Team captains also. Goa captain. Historic moment because come all the way from Tamil Nadu, and it is competing in this unique National Beach Kabaddi Championship. It is a very historic moment at the Calangute Beach.
I hereby declare the 6th National Beach Kabaddi Championship 2013 open.
रीती रिवाजाप्रमाणे हे भूमिपूजन हांगासर जाताच. ह्या भूमिपूजनाक आमकां
Goa, Uttar Pradesh versus Odisha. I once again request the team managers kindly get your teams. Chhattisgarh versus Jharkhand, Andhra versus Uttarakhand. I request all the team managers kindly get your teams ready. First call. Hello. Team manager Vidarbha, men's section, please report the mic immediately.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.